Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete messages on PlayStation app. Now if you want to delete the messages on PlayStation app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to delete the messages on PlayStation app, make sure that you have installed the PlayStation app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, open the PlayStation app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, then you may log in by clicking on the option of sign in and by entering the username, email or the password to your account. So after that, to delete the message, you need to go on the message section, which is also like this speech bubble icon at the very bottom of the screen. So you need to click on it and you need to select the conversation you want to delete. So let's say if you want to delete the conversation with your friend, you may click on the option of your friend or the conversation you want to delete. And if you want to delete a single message, like if you want to delete a single message you have sent to your friend, then you may simply tap and hold the message you want to delete, and there you will see the option of delete from the option that appears, and you may click on it to delete that. But if you want to delete the entire conversation, then you may tap on the three dots option at the very top right of the conversation screen, and from there you'll see the option of delete conversation, and you may confirm the action by clicking on the option of confirm. So that's it. That's how you can delete the messages on PlayStation app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.